Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna get that outdoor shower finished today. I finally got all the parts that I needed from the instant hot water tank that I had ordered, and let me show you over here what I got. So as you can see, I already have it hooked up here, and I have the instant hot water tank here, and I have the shower head hooked up over here, and then I have the propane tank down here and a 12-volt water pump. So this is really cool. All I gotta do is plug this in right into my Jackery and stick this hose right here, this end of the hose, into my 5-gallon water jug, and then I will have water to take a shower. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go get all my water jugs filled so I can take a shower. Let's go. Get up there, baby. View keeps falling down. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, nope. This is annoying. All right, so I'm just gonna hang out down here. All right, so I am on my way. I'm going to go back to Lowe's, my favorite second home, and pick up a couple more things that I need for like the floor area. Getting farther down. A couple more things that I thought of that I want to get for the floor area, and whatever else I can find too. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'll see you when I get there. Oh, and then I'm gonna go fill up my water jugs. I already got a couple of these back at the tiny house, and I wanted to pick up a couple more. So got those two, and let's go take a look. People are staring at me like I'm crazy talking to my phone. It never stops being awkward. So I just left the Dollar Tree, and this middle-aged, well, not middle-aged, he was probably like, I don't know, in his 20s maybe, early 30s, and he first kind of pretended like he was trying to get something that was right behind my ass where I was standing. And he's all like, oh, excuse me, I need to get right there behind you. Oh, I'm sorry. And like, no problem. And then I'm like looking on the other side, doing my own thing. And then he comes over to me again, and he's like, excuse me, I don't want to bother you, but I just want to tell you how amazing you look right now. Like, I'm so serious. Like, dude seemed like he was going to cry or have some sort of emotions right there in the aisle. And he was like, he's like, I just can't get over it. Like, I really wanted to tell you. He says, you just look so fabulous. Not hot right now, I don't think. I don't know. All I'm wearing is this black halter top. It has to be the black spandex shorts. But I mean, I got dirty ass toes with some flip-flops on, and I got Bentley's dog hair all over my clothes. I'm a hot mess. I probably stink, like, off grid. Maybe that's a turn on, I don't know. And he's all like licking his lips and looking at my ass and like standing back and like checking out my profile, and like, I don't know. I didn't know like if I should feel creeped out, which I was, or flattered, which I was not. Because I have guys come up to me and do that, you know, quite often. I mean, not often, but enough to where it's annoying. And yeah, it's just creepy. Like, I don't know. You got like, do you like that kind of stuff? I don't know. Do you women like when guys come up to you and approach you and tell you how sexy you look? I mean, does that turn you on? Did the guy think I was just gonna be like, oh, let's go hop in my truck right now and head out to my off-grid tiny house and we'll do the damn thing? I mean, like, really? Like, I mean, I don't know. It just is not, I don't know. It was just hysterical. I mean, it wasn't hysterical, but it was just, I don't know. Guys, stop. There are other ways to approach women. Just please stop with the awkwardness. Alright guys, this is the time you have all been waiting for. This is the time I have been waiting for. And it is so hot out here. So, all I have left to do is plug it into the Jackery and put this blue hose all the way to the bottom. So, now we're gonna make sure the Jackery is turned on, which I cannot see if it is. Okay, now it's on. Flip this little switch here, and it should turn on the pump. There we have it, guys. Let me shut it off.
Chase it away, 'cause I'm in love, because
Did I scare you? You guys are getting a little lost there. I'm sure you guys didn't see any of what the actual shower looked like, so let me just show you real quick. So as you can tell from the other video, I took these stepping stones that were in here and I just made this whole path down along here, and I replaced it with these sheets of faux slate, I guess is what they are. I don't know, you saw that's what I picked up earlier in the video from Lowe's. And I laid all those down. I rearranged the pebbles to cover up most of the dirt. And what else? I put some solar lights back here, and I hung a couple plants and put some other little plants around here and out front here. I put this divider up as well, some tiki torches, and you already seen my little setup here. But what I'm gonna do is I have to mount this somewhere up here, probably up here somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it yet. And then this is where the wire for the 12-volt plug goes into. And I'm gonna have it going through here and sitting out here so that the Jackery can sit out here, because when I was in here taking a shower, not only was I getting wet, but so was the Jackery. So we don't want that. So I'm gonna keep it out here somewhere, or make a little box for it to put it in or something to keep it out of the rain. Other than that, let me show you what it looks like at night.
Just close my eyes and think